Dear friends, welcome to Majid Goria YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to repair this hands-free jack. After we put it into the mobile phone, when we shake it from here, the sound comes and goes, which means that this jack is faulted. We have to repair this jack. This jack is very easy to repair, but sometimes the problem is inside the speaker or mic box, for which we have to repair the speaker or mic box. I have another video about repairing the speaker, you can watch it. But in this video I will only tell you how to repair the hand-free jack. Whenever you have a problem that makes the sound of the jack comes and goes, or the jack is completely out of the way, or you confirm that the problem is inside the jack, we first need to cut the jack wire with the help of a cutter. Take a cutter. Place the cutter on top of the hand-free jack and pull it down, so that the whole jack is cut. Now pull the rubber off the top of the hands-free jack by hand. When you remove the rubber, you will see a hard plastic casing at the bottom. You can also cut it with a cutter. And then with the help of pusher, take out your hands-free jack from inside this hard plastic. We have carefully taken our hands-free jack out of it. Now leave some distance on the hand-free wire and turn the soldering iron on it round and round, so that the plastic on top of it melts. Now take it off here. Now look, we've got 4 wires inside. The first number is red, then there is golden, then there is green, then there is blue. You will always find only 4 colored wires inside the hand-free. We solder a little bit on these 4 wires. Look at the shining solder on the end of them. Let us now understand the connections of the hand-free jack. The first is the red wire. The red wire is the mic. Then there is the golden colored wire, it is ground. Then green. The green is for right speaker. Then there is blue. Blue is for the left speaker. That's why we put these wires here. First we put a little bit of solder on top of all these points. First we install the red wire that belongs to the mic. On top of that we put a golden wire which is ground. On top of that we put a green wire which belongs to the right speaker. On top of that we put a blue wire which belongs to the left speaker. Now all the wires are connected. Now turn all these strings into one. Guys, this is a rubber coating that I took off from the top of the hands-free. That's where I put this hands-free. And pack well. Friends, I cut a piece of transparent tape. And I wrap it tightly around this hands-free jack. I give 3 or 4 twists of tape. I put the tape down nicely with the jack, so that the tape sticks to the top of the jack. And jack is packed inside. Look, this jack is now well packed inside. Now the viewers took a piece of cloth. Then you have to place the hand-free jack on any surface. After placing it on the surface, catch it with a cloth. Look at one side of it here, you see a little space. Inside this place I put 2 or 3 drops of glue. I grabbed the cloth so that the glue would not touch my hand. I put 2 or 3 drops in it. Our jack is full with glue. I will hold it here for 10 minutes. When I am sure it is completely dry, then I will release it. Friends, it is 10 minutes. Now all the glue has dried completely inside this jack. Now we can use it. Now all the wires inside it are very strong. It is just as strong now as it was the first time. Viewers, this is our informative video on repairing hands-free. We hope you find it useful. We'll be very happy if you like our work. Thank you very much. Goodbye.